You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. Anantnag, Kashmir is calling your name. Nestled in the heart of Kashmir, Anantnag is a haven for nature enthusiasts. Imagine lush green meadows stretching as far as the eye can see. Picture pristine rivers flowing with crystal clear water, reflecting the azure sky above. From the tranquil beauty of Kokonag's botanical gardens to the mesmerizing charm of Verinag Springs, Anantnag offers a slice of paradise for every traveler. The valley's serene landscapes invite you to unwind and reconnect with nature, ready to take a breath of fresh mountain air. Pack your bags and discover Anantnag,